I'm Sarah, and I was just sent the 17-ounce thermos. This thing is super cute. It's got this little handle that you can hold on to right here, and it's actually got like a contrasting color on here, so you can clearly see the lid from the actual base. The bottom of the base, you've got a nice rubberized grip, so that way it's on there, it's not just gonna fall over. And whenever you open this thing up, you just simply twist off the lid to find yourself a handy little spoon. This is a stainless steel spoon that you just open up and you have yourself everything right here. So once you fold it out, you've got pretty much like a full length spoon that'll fit all the way down in the bottom of that container. You can easily fold it back up whenever you're done, put it back in this little container. But before we do that, we will open this up, and this is completely sealed up. It's got a nice seal on there with a big 3.1-inch opening. So that way you can reach in there, easily get all your food out. Stainless steel on the inside as well. And this will keep things hot or cold for hours. Now this is a nice little bonus. You actually get like a little brush to be able to clean it up with. You get a nice little brush right here, and you have a brush on the top that you can then get down in to do other cleaning. So it is really nice that this all just comes with it. So this would be great if you wanted to bring in any sort of food. You can easily fill that in with food. It is completely sealable, so that way whenever you do have your stuff in there, you can have it in there and be able to open it up. So all stays in there, liquid, solids. Put your spoon back in there, put on your lid, and now you are ready to have a nice hot or cold lunch that'll stay the right temperature for hours.